Remote sync. Step 1. Connect lights to power source. Step 2. Within 3 seconds, press the 1 button 3 times to sync lights. Once the lights are synced, press the W button to set to default white. To adjust brightness, slide your finger along the brightness slider. To adjust color temperature, slide your finger along the saturation slider. To select a new color, scroll along the color wheel at the top of the remote. To change the vibrance of any color, use the saturation slider. You are also able to adjust brightness on any color using the brightness slider. To explore the different modes available, select the M button. The flashing lights indicate party mode is active and can be sped up or slowed down using S+ and S-. Brightness and vibrance can be dynamically changed during any mode. The next mode available is a smooth color shift mode, which can also be sped up or down using S+ and S-. There are many patterns and dynamic modes to choose from, offering millions of color variations and custom options for any occasion. To return to default white, press the W button at any point. To desync, unplug, and plug in lights. Within 5 seconds, press the 1 button 6 times. The lights will flash red 9 times when desync is successful.